Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition.
Paranoid, you know, the wonderful paranoid. I am paranoid, you know. I am paranoid, you know.
All right, so welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. So I see you. I'm actually going to get my name. Odegu, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new. Very, very important that you do so. Please and please hit like button. It's not gonna cost you anything. All right. This is a morning broadcast. So some of you maybe afternoon, probably evening your time, maybe late hour night, whichever way. Please like the video. So we are going to spend some time this hour, and of course to discuss something that's very, very important. As you can see, DOS and their monthly salary earning 100% exposition. I saw a video. One of us sent me this link. Then I click on it. Then the thing just brought me to Njideka platform. That Njideka in Canada. And after watching the video, I said, okay, why am I even talking about it now? I'm talking about it because there are so many things that the video actually connotes. It links us to so many things that I would like us to maybe somehow observe in the course of this live broadcast. Most of them are those things that we have talked in the past, bringing to your notice what DOS actually represent, and to validate that which PM has been saying. Sam Malekpa have said it time without number that these guys are in Zama group. They are earning money. Some people say, no, you are blackmailing your brothers. If you don't see through what they're doing, you may be deceived. In fact, before we start this program, let me just go through the comment. Like as you can see here, Amachi Goze, greetings, Maz, in Dewo. And of course, we have Inebong Gankan. So let me call you Inebong. Inebong said, greeting, brother. And again, Inebong again, greetings. He said, Dewo, Inebong will greet you. He said, keep up. Keep it up. Inebom, thank you. Inebom, are you from Akwa Ibom? If you are from Akwa Ibom, what do you think about Nsima? I would like to know. I just want to know how Akwa Ibom might feel about this. But do you know him? Is it true that he's from Cameroon? I want someone to claim that. I just want to genuine, information about him. Like people are trying, because I don't want to use my platform to sell falsehood. You know what I mean? So is it truly from? If you are from there, I think I've asked this question in the past. I think I've asked enough of this question in the past. I'm not sure about if you are from Akwa Ibom or not. I'm actually going to say, okay, yeah, this is where you are laughing. And I know why you are laughing. Inebon said, more blessing. Thank you. Jesse Matthias said, hello from Atlanta, Georgia, US. I hope you have voted for DPM. Have you? Just make sure you support her, okay? It's not going to cost you anything. If not that, they said, if it were something that anybody can vote, then would have done something about it from our end. But because we are not there, we cannot do much. You can't do much. All we can do is just to inform you. Now, let's start the program properly. Like, while looking forward to this, our brother, to answer my question. Now, let's start with this. Pay attention.
Okay, those people, those errats, those 100 errats of Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu want us to begin to address him this way, and that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. You see, respect is a reciprocal. If you respect me, I respect you. Ida atobra munye mime, and Adama atobra munye gime. Oboronge na achara mu moto. That is why I respect everybody. And the last thing that I will do again is to begin to abuse our people. I will never. Regardless, I will go to your manifesto. Being our, like, you can also be here abusing me. I will never respond to you, because I know that all this abuse is taking you to nowhere. If abuse is spying people, I could have spied a lot of people. And according to them, they say that I'm copying them. That what is constant in life is change. And I asked them, is it not English language? Now your papa make English. I mean, now your papa go paste English. They say that I copy them to take up. I want you to follow.
You copy PM Samanaba by bringing this costume. And we talked about it in the past. You copy PM in everything, and you are still copying them. He said the respect is reciprocal, not a receipt. Not a receipt. Don't worry, he got no grammar now. Is it because I don't want to? Don't worry. You hear him. This man, he's the one that called their franchise. According to him, he's their franchise. You copy a lot from the chair, from the attire, everything. You copy. Respect is a receipt. Okay, let's continue. Muzandeo, I see you.
Go back to my page. Even though when I was appearing in Rapture Media, you will see the copies there. But that is not the reason why I'm here. I'm here to speak the truth. And only the truth can set us free.
You are not
Abuse me.
That's a lie.
Say whatever you want to say. But the reason why some of you are finding it so difficult is because of the level we have put in Nnamdi Kanu. Let me tell you people something. All of you that are, emergency lover of Nnamdi Kanu, okay? It will take you time to understand all these things I'm saying.
He copied this one from Udele. This is to tell you that all these guys are in love, to one another. You see, Udele, Nwayogre, and all these duets. The only difference between them is that the other one this one are bold enough to insult anybody and dare anybody and even pipe them up. Those ones are the one clapping and funding it and sponsoring that. And they are trying to make it look like they are different from them. You are not. You are not. Hear him. Hear him. Very, very important.
And I will shock you people what happened yesterday. You can never see this thing on their page. Nnamdi Kanu can never speak about it. They will never. But another person, if for her, I say, but here, she can do I will destroy your family. Maso Keno Kechuku, the gangster, open your court. I will kill you this or not, and I'll feel you on. And I'll feel it on. Let me tell you people something. Only what you can do is to threaten. If you try it, if you try it, ono ke ga na fele ndi ga eji bu nwanne ha bu ndi ga enwe ogo si we driver ndi aga amakwa no. If you try to take any life of a strong IPOD, one day you will see it. You're not threatening anybody. You people should stop threatening people. Threatening people can never help us. Unaliving your own people can never help you.
This guy is the one who said that if you see anybody, autopilot, that you should send them to Chukwukika. This is the same guy who said it in the past. Is here now talking about threatening people. I'm not a fan of threatening anybody. I don't support it. I don't like it. Like, all you can do is to threaten people. I don't like it. You don't have to. You don't need to threaten anybody. Okay? But let him not just pretend that he's not one of them. That is abominable. That would be an abominable act. You should be proud of what you stand for and what you think that you are representing. So don't lie. You are part of those. You are one of those that threaten for a living. Hear him again. Let's continue.
There is no how you will tell me you want to restore Biafra for those that you want to restore, and at the same time you dey buy them. Who does that? Who does that? Nnamdi Kanu supported Simon Ekpa in total. In essence, that he want to come out. That the DOS are doing nothing to free him. And I asked this question. Who sending Nnamdi Kanu to Kenya? Why should the problem of Nnamdi Kanu become my own problem now? Of course, I took it upon myself to defend him. But later, I'll be a woman. Same defend that I'm just defending nonsense. That I was here for over how many years? Over 4 years and defending this man. At the end, this man come to my face, Kuru, tell me, you are stupid.
Genuinely, are you not stupid? It's not an insult. Unless if you don't know the meaning of stupid. Are you not stupid? And he's saying this with Biafran flag beside him. No, I talked about this Biafran flag 3 days ago. They always have a way of hanging Biafran flag while going and talking against Biafra. Okay? So the question is, if you are, I guess, Mazamonokan, then what is Biafran flag doing behind you? You are still claiming that you are IPOB DOS. This name and the DOS was given to you. Not that he want to insult you, but you guys decided to act like an animal. That's why I have to use the word nketa to compare that. Many of them know what they're doing, but they have to pretend. I am IPOB member, I am DOS, what you say, what you said must stand. We are this, we are that. As they are saying that, their mindset is in one Nigeria, how to promote one Nigeria, and what have you. The question is that what Mazakano called you for? Is that what he told you to do? Now, in case if you don't know the meaning of stupid, generally meaning lack of intelligence, common sense, or good judgment. Is subscribe actions, ideas, or plays that are unwise or slow to comprehend, informally informally, it can also describe as annoying situation or an absurd large quantity. Now, the one part that I think that is to me that link this guy and people like him is lack of intelligence, common sense, and good judgment or good judgment. Now, I want to focus on the one common sense. That's what they lack. That's what they lack. They are unintelligent. At the same time, they don't have common sense at all. Their sense of judgment is zero. You are here shouting Biafra, Master American is this. But look at you, your costume, the name, the flag, everything is still from Master American. Not the flag though, but I mean the name, IPOB, DOS. Now you say that you feel like you are stupid. Master American working on. Okay, but you are still in the group he formed. You are still hoping, because if there's anything now, I want the mass number that makes you a criminal. That's why your judgment is zero. The way you judge things, the way you see things, it shows that you don't have common sense. Triple, I see you. Greetings to you. Okay, Jesse, thank you so much. I can see your comment. You said that you are not only, you have not only voted, but you're actually campaigning for DPM. That's nice of you. I appreciate you. Triple, good morning to you. Great. Say greetings to you, Mazakai Reports. Happy new working week. Thank you so much, my brother. The same to you. Now hear him again. We don't normally play this guy video, but listen.
That is exactly what is happening today. Nnamdi Kanu is ex-IPOB leader. Yes, he is ex-IPOB leader. And I will...
Graham Hawker just motor from Methuselah and his group, calling them SDUS. Now he's not calling Master Kanu ex-IPOB leader.
Prove it beyond reasonable doubt why he is ex-IPOB leader.
Then who formed the IPOB? These people spend time trying to convince their followers that Master Kanu hijacked IPOB. That he hijacked IPOB from... I have asked the question, from who? From who? This channel you are seeing now, Kaya Report. Kaya Report. This is the name of my social media handle. Now, the question is, who named this? Who gives this name, Kaya Report? That you are here, you are seeing now. It is actually me. A name derived from my native name. Now, the question is, if I give you access now to this platform, that you can log in and broadcast in this platform, maybe we can negotiate, we can fix price that we pay you for any live stream that you host here in this platform, or I can negotiate and say, okay, this is what I will be paying you. But you have to, if you run 2-3 hours program, from 2 hours up, you are going to make social amount from me. Meaning that I have employed you on my platform. What does that mean? You are still working for me. Do you understand? Or let's take it this way. If this platform belongs to me, I said, okay, voluntarily, I want anybody that can come here and broadcast. That we need to broadcast here. That if you are interested, I will give you my seat. You sit and broadcast here. You decided to come out and broadcast here in this my platform, and we have, let's say I have maybe 10 people broadcasting. So in every day, people will come here and broadcast. Different people, maybe every 1 hour. Somebody will come here and talk for 30 minutes or 1 hour and go. If another one, once you can mention another person will have the program. Akap is all about our people. The same thing I'm doing here. About our people, about Biafra, about our people, about Biafra, about what is going on, update news and all that, just like normal TV station or radio station. We'll be doing that session. We even have some of you will even have a favorite moment, favorite program. Maybe another person will come here to crack joke, to entertain people. It will become your favorite, program. Once it's 3 p.m., you know that Okechukwu Okafor, Ngoseka will be here broadcasting. And you already know what the person is doing here. All of a sudden, the person now said that kind of report, the way you are representing this platform, it simply means that you're a criminal. You are just trying to prove that without you are an idiot. In my own platform, okay, that you can easily go out and create your own without using kind reports. You can create your own. You can actually create your own. You don't want. So kind report is a criminal, kind report is this and that. Then you have chance to go out and form your own and create your own group. You refuse. The only thing you want to do is to push me away from my platform that I funded. I registered it, everything I spent before you even join. I've already worked with other people. When Clifford even the one in this album man called what is his name? What is the name of that guy? I'm trying to recall his name. He is now attacking Masamunakano also on Facebook. His name is that name. I'm trying to recall that name. He used to broadcast on Radio Biafra. Very, very hungry guy that looks like Hunter. He's from Mambo. What is the name of this guy? Please, if I remember that, I will mention that. They have worked with Master Monacan in the past. Before their friend, this guy Okechukwu Okeja. Before he joined Master Monacan, thousands of people have been with Master Monacan. They are no longer with Master Monacan. Some of them have worked with Master Monacan and go before he even joined. You want to push Master, you want to grab the platform. Like I don't blame them because they grab Radio Biafra. And why did Masakan give them access to Radio Biafra? Because Masakan want to prove that it's not about me alone, it's about everybody. But no matter how you want to twist it, he's still the leader. If you want to relegate him to backseat, that means you are tired of the platform. You have to go. You have to leave. Bureau Initiative. Is it Bureau or Bureau? I don't know what I call that. Initiative was there before Masakan, and people were there as well. Masakan left Masop does not mean that Masop has come. It doesn't mean that Masop ended. They are still there. Innocent Toji also carrying the Biafran flag. You get the point. They are still there. And he has his own members doing his thing the way he wants, the way he can. You cannot be in IPOB and say Master Monacan is not your leader. No. You must have a name. George Oyibe. Hey, this is our brother. Thank you so much. That's the name that I was struggling to remember. George Oyibe. Thank you so much for that. George Oyibe. So it baffles me seeing these people claiming that Master Monacan is their leader in the morning. In the afternoon, they have sacked him. In the evening, the IPOB is not their own. What does that mean? This is a way of validating that which PM Simon Ekpa and many Biafran have said in the past, that these guys are actually criminal. It's only a criminal that will even develop that kind of idea. How to push the founder and replace him with you. IPOB was founded by Mazen Namorokano, whether you like it or not. That you join him does not mean that you are not the person in charge. That's a lie. That's a lie. Anyway, hear him.
You know, some of you are not paying attention to what is going on today on social media. Some people will come and tell you that Nnamdi Kanu said about 100 men before. That was a talk. Now the 100 men have become a committee by, I'm trying to explain things that some of you, I am in this struggle. I understand a lot of things, though I am not occupying any position. But I want you to also know that I am IPOB media personnel. I signed a code of conduct on Biafran television. Okay? But I am not occupying any position, being a regional coordinator or national coordinator or provost or though. Everybody will fair on alike. Amen. I choose to go into media.
Or if you're not like even in the media itself, you are not doing fine. Are you doing? You see yourself as you are doing fine?
Because I understand the media. I understand that the media is the key. If you want to survive today as a government or politics and interest, you must make sure you occupy space on media.
First and first, he knew that he's not a government. IPOB is not a government. That's number one. IPOB is a movement, not a government. Then he said politics and interest. Politics and interest. So you cannot, you're supposed to know the rest. So according to him, he understands that media is the key. Politics and interest. What is your interest? And what is the politics about what you are doing? How are you playing that politics? Okay, for the mindset of
and that is why I keep on, thanking the Facebook, TikTok, X for them giving us this platform free. That is why when you look at this documentary, the new documentary of BBC, when they were lying to their teeth, when they were fabricating lies and concocting stories against our people, they turn around to tell us that we are the aggressor. Just imagine if there is no media. Do you know the reason why they call our Dean Odumegwu as a rebel? We don't have media. But today, we are debunking every lies from pit of hell. That is why today they hated the Igbo people, because we are telling them the truth. Because we have found our space on media. It's no more BB, it's no more Channel Television, Arise Television, it's no more. No. Now they carry the news now. Because when you go to what is happening today in Nigeria, you will know that it's the free media, which is this open media, are the people that are telling you what exact happening there. All these channels in Nigeria, they will tell them what they are going to broadcast. So thank you, Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg, I thank you.
After hearing this, you would expect him to say something. You may think that he actually knows what he's doing, like he has made up his mind to support Biafra, that he has something to do with Nigeria. Nigeria is a bad thing. After hearing this, or some other things that he will say, or the one he has said in the past. He designed his background with Biafran flag, with Igbo attire, and all this, so that you will start seeing him as someone who represents you. But do you know that in this video, this guy in just a few minutes, he will switch to promoting P2B and Kwankwaso.
China TikTok.
If
I thank you people. Eromas, who owns, I think it's Eromas owns X. They have bought it. It was Twitter before they changed it to X. I thank every one of you for giving us this platform to speak up, to tell the world what we are passing through, to tell the world the atrocity that these people have committed against our people. Go and see the documentary of BBC, the lies. Ojuku, the Geafia, go one, we are saying the gun, the bullet they were shooting, we are hitting 3. And go one and never tell you people the reason why he could not implement the Aburi Accord. He did not tell you people. They keep on lying. That is why today they are taking the lives and properties of his own people. He could not even open his mouth to speak. You know, when you begin to condone evil, you condone evil. Time will come, the evil will begin to swallow you. That is exactly what is happening today in Middle Belt. And we have vowed that it will never come to our time in our land called Biafra.
A great job for good morning to you.
Able to have security network. Are you now understanding? I just want to use this as my preamble before I will come, because I have videos to show you people things that is happening that they don't want to tell you. But I want to tell them that the foundation of Nigeria from the day one is faulty. Nigeria was not built to be a country. It was a mainstream business.
Did you hear that? That Nigeria was not built to be a country. It was meant to be just a male business. That the foundation of Nigeria is faulty. Please, I know why I'm telling you this. Just remember, he said that the foundation of Nigeria is faulty. That it was not meant to be a country, but just a male business. Now, let's go.
And I feel it's let me tell you people, some want to restore and at the same time they buy them. Who does that? Who does that? Nnamdi Kanu supported Simon Ekpa in total. In Essex, that he want to come out. That the DOS are doing.
Sorry, I think I click it, but I drag it
and
back.
I ask this question. Who sending Nnamdi Kanu to Kenya? Why should the problem of Nnamdi Kanu become my own problem now? Of course, I took it upon myself to defend him. But later, of the woman, same defend that I'm just defending nonsense. That I was here for over how many years? Over 4 years and defending this man. At the end, this man come to my face, Kuru, tell me, you are stupid. That is exactly what is happening today. Nnamdi Kanu is ex-IPOB leader. Yes, he is ex-IPOB leader. And I will prove it beyond reasonable doubt why he is ex-IPOB leader. You know, some of you are not paying attention to what is going on today on social media. Some people will come and tell you that Nnamdi Kanu have said about 100 men before. That was a talk. Now the 100 men have become a committee by, I'm trying to explain things that some of you, I am in this struggle. I understand a lot of things, though I am not occupying any position. But okay. I want you to also know that I am IPO.
Sorry that I drag it back on
Biafran television. Okay? But I am not occupying any position, being a regional coordinator or national coordinator or provost or though. Everybody will fair on alike. Amen. I choose to go into media because I understand the media. I understand that the media is the key. If you want to survive today as a government or politics and interest, you must make sure you occupy space.
Politics and interest.
And that is why I keep on, thanking the Facebook, TikTok,
you make sure that you
for them giving us this platform free. That is why when you look at this documentary, the new documentary of BBC, when they were lying to their teeth, when they were fabricating lies and concocting stories against our people, they turn around and tell us that we are the aggressor. Just imagine if there is no media. Do you know the reason why they call our Dean Odumegwu as a rebel? We don't have media. But today, we are debunking every lies from pit of hell. That is why today they hated the Igbo people, because we are telling them the truth. Because we have found our space on media. It's no more BB, it's no more Channel Television, Arise Television, it's no more. No. Now they carry the news now. Because when you go to what is happening today in Nigeria, you will know that it's the free media, which is this open media, are the people that are telling you what exact happening there.
Calling him mediocre, my brother, is an insult to mediocre.
They will tell them what they are going to broadcast.
He is way too low.
So thank you, Facebook.
To the level of mediocre.
Mark Zuckerberg, I thank you. China TikTok, I thank you, people. Elon Musk, who owns, I think it's Elon Musk owns X. They have bought it. It was Twitter before they changed it to X. I thank every one of you for giving us this platform to speak up, to tell the world what we are passing through, to tell the world the atrocities
back to stage one.
Go and see the documentary of
BBC. 100% right.
The lies. Ojuku, the Geafia, go one, we are saying the gun, the bullet they were shooting, we are hitting 3. And go one and never tell you people the reason why he could not implement the Aburi Accord. He did not tell you people. They keep on lying. That is why today they are taking the lives and properties of his own people. He could not even open his mouth to speak. You know, when you begin to condone evil, time will come, the evil will begin to swallow you. That is exactly what is happening today in Middle Belt. And we have vowed that it will never come to our time in our land called Biafra. That is why we'll be able to have security network.
Formed by Mass.
I just want to use this as my preamble before I will come, because I have videos to show you people things that is happening that they don't want to tell you. But I want to tell them that the foundation of Nigeria from the day one is faulty. Nigeria was not built to be a country. It was a mainstream business. Let us make business together. But as time goes on, they see that no, we have to make these people a country, a fabricated country, Wayo country. And now they put it together. Who brought out Nigeria? The girlfriend of Rugard that is rotting today in hell. She is the one that bring that name Nigeria. But we are not telling you that that name Nigeria is the problem. No, it's the foundation. Because if Nigeria is working, nobody can ever think about having a nation called Biafra. The destruction of our people started beyond 1945. Today now they are taking over the lands of Yorubas. They cannot speak. They turn around and tell you the Igbo is their problem. And some of our people today are supporting Ndi Yoruba against the Fulanese. But then when they were destroying the lives of our people in Enugu, none of them come out and make protest against the killings in our land. Why they keep on denying them government presence in their land?
Listen.
Don't let people's problem be your problem. Let everybody carry their cross. Ono obuna bulo be nkenya. Kai Bruno be nkanya no kaligo. And agwago mo no ndi a na-ekwu no election in Biafra land chukwu ga-akpọ no nchanye n'ọkụ. Maazị Okenna Ogechukwu is supporting Kwankwaso and Peter Obi, my brother. You will not like it. That is none of my business to you. Go to our code of media, which is this open media, are the people that are telling you what exactly they cannot speak. They turn around and tell you the Igbo is their problem. And some of our people today are supporting Ndi Yoruba against the Fulanese. But then when they were destroying the lives of our people in Enugu, none of them come out and make protest against the killings in our land. Why they keep on denying them government presence in their land? Don't let people's problem be your problem. Let everybody carry their cross. Ono obuna bulo be nkenya. Kai Bruno be nkanya no kaligo. And agwago mo no ndi a na-ekwu no election in Biafra land chukwu ga-akpọ no nchanye n'ọkụ. Maazị Okenna Ogechukwu is supporting Kwankwaso and Peter Obi, my brother. You will not like it. Against our people. They turn around and tell us that we are the aggressor. Said about 100 men before us. They cannot speak. They turn around and tell you the Igbo is their problem. And some of our people today is something that is unacceptable, right? They cannot speak. They turn around and tell you the Igbo is their problem. And some of our people today are supporting Ndi Yoruba against the Fulanese. But then when they were destroying the lives of our people in Enugu, none of them come out and make protest against the killings in our land. Why they keep on denying them government presence in their land? Don't let people's problem be your problem. Let everybody carry their cross. Now,
hearing what he's saying, you would think that that he's against Nigeria. Now that's why they're denying us government presence in our land. Olugono guy got me. The Biafran flag, Biafran flag, because on my so he don't want to continue with this kind of government that are not bringing government presence in our land, right? And he has some answers to the question. He has decided not to. He has decided not to talk about Nigeria or promote it. He knows what to do, and that's why you can see the Biafran flag. That is where to go. And you people don't know something. Yeah, something. In fact, those of you that are saying no election in the Biafran land, so it's for people to be on Kwankwaso.
And agwago mo no ndi a na-ekwu no election in Biafra land chukwu ga-akpọ no nchanye n'ọkụ. Maazị Okenna Ogechukwu is supporting Kwankwaso and Peter Obi, my brother. You will not like it. That is none of my business to you. Kwankwaso, Peter Obi. If this is what is going to cause problem for division, I support it. Because I listened to a Yoruba man when he was lamenting, saying that the hatred towards the Igbo will continue, it will raise, it will high. That is what we want. If Kwankwaso and Peter Obi will cause calamity in Nigeria, I support it. Peter Obi, my brother, go on. Peter Obi is my brother.
Now, he wants to play smart. I don't know if you noticed that. He wants to after saying this, maybe he already felt maybe there's some goosebumps. He want to do damage control. That the reason why he said it because he watched a Yoruba man saying that the hatred on Igbo people will continue this way. So if P2B and Kwakoso will be the one to bring problem in Nigeria, that he support them. So what he want to imply is that he's supporting Kwankwaso and P2B for Nigerian destruction. It means that P2B will be the one to test. We're gonna use P2B to test the water, and he called P2B my brother. Don't you think that he's lying to you? Don't you think that he's lying to you? The agenda is to, instead of him to be man enough, instead of him to be man enough and said, despite what I'm doing, I am for P2B and Kwankwaso. He said it too, but he has to come back to make it look like I'm supporting them because I know they're going to bring confusion and problem in Nigeria. Okay, for the level of criminality. Somebody in the world, in a women in a brain. If you go the brain on a ship on what you believe. Anyway, the video is quite long. It's about 2 or 3 hours video, if I'm not mistaken. So let's move to this one. No. Wait, if you don't, I'm gonna. Don't worry, I want to take it back so that you can start from the beginning. Hunter is the reason why you see the title the way it is. DOS and their monthly salary earning 100% exposition. I remember PM used to say that these guys are on salary base. And some of us think, watching the video, you would think that they are doing it out of love. It is actually where the money is coming from. That's what motivates them. And an example of that is this guy. After watching the video, we are going to go to the video that the engineer made that he exposed, especially this guy, this one, Hunter. Now, because they are all on salary basis.
I'm carrying out my detention. It was what on your rock. If you're not no flexible, each and I believe. Each and I believe. Sign on a radio for 4 years for nothing. Only Haima. Only Maznam Kanu, the whole struggle, so say I trust. Then the man ain't useless. Hey, we trust him. He was a mad person. He was a mad person. You trust him. Why when does the no password of Radio Biafra? Why do others know the password? He trusts I didn't even trust here. He may trust you with the oath. Now the candidate don't trust them. I don't trust him. Yeah, I'll take the oath. He took oath. The oath is there. He's in the oath. He said neither should man can be subordinate. Nobody is trusted. Oh, oath to our trust. Our rely is the oath. Oh, our oath was our ever rely. Trust. I trust you with the oath. I don't trust. Don't trust. I got oath to hope. I am an English. You got repo. Oath to take. Now I know might be better. Could trust. Trust again. My love, we must make love. Respect, they create a channel for all position, whether the person is ugly or handsome or rich. Hence, the person is a coordinator. They will honor for that position. If the person do well, you can add love. Love na abia. A kekotayana position, and you can love there. And you can trust there. Trust, you know, oath. If you don't go when you shout, Mama, I ain't been IPOB here. Oh, to trust, I. Oh, what I trust. And they can no longer trust them. So the whole struggle, millions of people, only man can sent. It will complete idiot. Company in baby, about phone you sent. Family years, now phone you sent. When you trust is it? Oh no, stupid idiots. Do you understand? And then the struggle here, known as structure, they maintain no structure. People was dying maintaining the structure. And I got a man that asked them, hey, dear, now you cannot trust them. Some of them sabotage. Yeah, jump is a crate is 100 men. She said, yeah, was the ending in Eburani. Now was a moving point. So everybody should gather. Let us join. We told you in the committee. Monday will be for a national coordinator. You get to go. My POB officials. I na haro kowazie. Olabani shi otum take. Kai ni enwo shokwa ya. Uno choka na ha meriko. Kai na ndi Igbo ayi meriko. The man who got turned against us. I took the oath. Ndị chọchara arụ ndị zọgụ n'obodo ha chọcha mebicha obodo ozi ndị ụwa a na-agbabatazi na 100 men. Ọcha ndị a niile that the director asị onye ndu say return them, put them in TOS for the mmegwa ha that are involved in Simon Ekpema criminality and coordinators that submitted our money to Simon. Can we want Igbo? A remove her. I don't say she retire. Italy should not be touched. Onundara. I tell you that Germany should be returned. Mogagodoshi. I return Noya. Ige Cherembe put again and do Sharoko. Obrubua. Dear Esra Han and do Shagariko. Nahan and Dibra Garoko. Ndị support Monday kụrụ Simon aka Monday vote oria Monday say go ahead minyeri ego anyị na ga emekọ ị ga-eme anyị orikọ ị ga-eti anyị na nsogbu anyị ada iwu ala anyị anyị ga-ada iwu ala anyị na-eme onye ọbụla happy ada emeghị happy to destroy my generation. Mama na some of you jichara n'ụlọ ụbọchị ọgwụ ego. Do you love your generation? So you feel na mụ aga ewekwa my generation like you. Some of you hate your generation. Oath I took in their absence without informing them. Makatana turn against them. The them gonna meeting gonna have na take oath. Mande na amu be mande na amu mande amu. Kasi na hani nege perish. Inokati wure maze na become very deceive to turn against the oath I took. Bakana I'm infant. You think I'm infant? Then you are dreaming. In jamu be odi madam before. You can confirm when they were ndile mi shike in truth. Imataze na yana bezibara. Mad people. I whipped argument. One argument anyway. Is there something in the kind of so in another man leadership members were siblings. So how put behind the members can attack? People are will go their siblings. Not everybody can enjoy it. They insult. Any name they are free to counter the name. Usually the kind of a black man leadership. The people will also attack the name Ijibia. If you don't know, you know it. In your next life, you get that emotional blackmail beyond people. If you don't know how to make it flexible like you, my people can do and do. If you were telling us, hey, he's attacking them, each and only way and they mad lies. Nobody will lies, none them are the truth. Nobody could share the way history. No one they say no to truncating of our structure. Na-eme ndị nwụrụ anwụ obiọma ịchọ ndị anyị onye dị ndụ obiọma ndị ka anwụrụ anwụ that paid ka anyị na-eme obiọma ha na otu agba anyị randụ ha na-asọ ha lụọ ọgụ asị ha mba remain resolute ugbu a leadership asịkwa gị chere asị mba na onye ndu se gịnị ọ na-ekwukwa mgbe a bịara ịgbagbu mmadụ ọ na-ekwukwa mgbe anyị gbara moto na-abụ ụmụ ahịa ọsịkwa anyị laghachi onye ndu ọsịkwa anyị laghachi ọmagị ọya kpọrọ mmefe ha ezi anyị si ọrụ odu list ụmụ ahịa onye nwe gwara mmefe ha na ndị abịago dị na nse ọrụ odu list ụmụ ahịa why na ọgwakwa na anyị laghachi onye ndu se or director send a message is it not our coordinator so how come is them size no lie and enyezi m order is it not our coordinator that say we should go to ụmụ ahịa anyị na-eme direct obey direct or ya na-edu anyị direct unless on a radio. So where it was I got visit here, I got here, I jump on DOS. No one oath that I must Madam Timachuku hereby solemnly and voluntarily swear to be absolutely loyal to the leadership of the people of Biafra and the Muslim director of Radio Biafra. Oh yeah, oh tukuru. It's some happen DOS Gano then they can obey no you leader. Makane for your generation ashi. Chinam for generation match. Anyone ever I think I put this target. Give me one argument. I know then we pay here with you here. Something I know here. If you say we remember, a man of full press release to go Mazam Canon Gas since 2022. A separate chaya Aruze when the lawyer said Umria Leia were charges of 2020, 2021, 2022. Toyanga on the warrant of 2015 that was granted bail in 2017. All the charges that was in the warrant he was granted bail on disappeared, and they started using answers of 2020 on non-government of 2020. Then Vanguard publication of Onyami statement, killing of Ahmed Gulak, KG Tuesday Tonga on an old warrant of 2015. A similar amendment of charge. Now lawyer did you to issue the hammer. Automatically, the Nigerian government hired the IPOs in Kenya. Nigeria was presenting IPO that arrested him in Lagos 2015 to overshadow the kidnapping in Kenya. Oh, you may argue. If I hear them claim no lawyer, in a file appeal. Appeal will quite get back in a lawyer. In a appeal.
All right, so the reason why I allow him to say all these things to play, at least for some time now, is for you to see the energy, the mindset, and what he wants to pass out there. You can see he's ready to go toe-to-toe with anybody just to prove that he's saying what he wants you to believe that is right thing to do. But there's a hidden something that's actually driving him, pushing him. That is the salary, what they're earning. Not only him, many of them. Pay attention, please. No matter how, I know hearing him is painful. Like he ranting, shouting, making very, very funny argument. Very, very funny argument. But there's a reason, like I told you. Just keep calm down, hear him, but don't take his words serious. Okay? Even if you worry, you can do the same. Because imagine earning 1.something million, for example, without doing anything. These guys have just created job for them, for their friends. Anyway, let me continue. That's permission.
Imanuma jamu chamuto madu jamu chaite na area body. Na garate na body pane bita na omoru. Aro na gbage, mgbe na gbage na ga jamu moto ehụ ya. Mgbe na gbage na ga jamu moto kwesi na ya maghi ihe. Ekokachicha di moto say ya we pane bita omoru. Chika bụ kwa aga ọkụ. Imagine at the ground of Abeg. But we are in the ground of Obekotoda. A point in Monyara, I got what they are Obekotoda, Yonara. A weapon that replaced Abu Accord agreement. On Abu will stand, Obekotoda, Onadia truncate, make we analysis, Bogidi lawyers that security, make the analysis. Since then, always in your lawyer could Rebecca happen with discharge. Tell Onaga told that Tonga. It doesn't hear that be a good lawyer. Lawyer will quite get back. Do you understand? Now, go I do Chandarana, Malite, only suspension IPOB or Mapota. I ordered to say you should stay here. You stay here, you don't know you're gone on DOS. Why not you check a man computer? Which means in my name. So whenever say if fight our struggle now, you will hand the can. I love him, I love. Oh God, my man, people will crush you and the name. A children's what they have more put a composer more yard dirige. If people are confronted, they are attacking on you. Oh, what is your to be attacked? In a bar, you foolish. If you have maximum can as your defense to attack individuals that did not do anything. If you don't have Kuma, so he presented and they will not talk. If you shop here, also they will crush you and then you don't use people's image to blackmail people as your defense. Hey, Nandekano, he present them, hey, you are sabotaging Nandekano. Oswald is a lie. He said, you are attacking Nandekano. So you don't present as your defense. I am going to watch him. Who the president Noga walk? Each hand and become a defense in blackmailing people. Noga walk. People who cross you and the name in presentry. It's when so with the name. Camera Moyasigi will hand biog. And I had a man. So if he were looking at Malene, hey, he's attacking on the Kanashi. He did the attack. Can him attack? Hang. Me actually. Mama, you will have that. Oh, why not spend there? Oh, why not spend there? Is a name. You will have the cano, then I blackmail our struggle, blackmail the leadership. I call Shaggy my hand Jibia. In your next life, a guy there with emotional blackmail. Imagine when they might hear here. Because if you're not deflexible, if you're not deflexible, I'm manipulating. I'm a mesboting here. I'm a cramming here, managing here. Educate more, Mapaya. Enokata onye no we na bambe say if I say hey you want to overthrow the can you are not obeying him you are sabotaging you are evil so ihe ji bia ka onye onu blackmail no wa hanam the can so onu say hanam the can o ze beside o ma ze jiji da ze akụkụ iwe onye ara ọ ga cross gi mama ha hi ji bia do you understand? Then mboso zine ihu ndị mmadụ n'ọrụ onwe ha izere ha mgbe ụlọchukwu na mmadụ enu msi ọga ihe a ebe unu na-aga ndị mmadụ agakwa spare anybody o a result class present ugbu a na-asị they have mobilized the media against the Nandekano. People are defending what they know. They will reveal what they know. They will reveal what they know. Look at that kind of lawyer, those lawyers, because the IPOB. Instead of his leadership. Or there is IPOB, Aaron Abaya lawyer, Aaron Abaya, on a structure. Oh, do him now. Oh, Tojia. If the
now, as if he's actually serious about his life and looking for black friend. Now, let's go to the reason why you can see this energy, okay? The reason why he's saying what he's saying. Because it's about pretense, to be honest with you. He just, living a life of pretense is what they're known for, and they always have a way to do that. There's, hold on. Let me remind you other things. There's something I want you to see. Just like this. Let me show you two pictures first before I go to that part of the topic. Now, this picture you are seeing here is what DOS and the DOS Nigeria, those DSS now. They said they want to institutionalizing IPOB. Okay? That's why they're not saying the Master is X. That's the reason why they're doing that. They are trying to push an agenda because they have concluded to hijack the IPOB, just like what Oginkere. You understand? Careful the mindset of funding and just for you to see the mindset. Not only this one, this man that you just heard now called Madabuchi, the hunter. Madabuchi the hunter. Very, very, very. Look at oh yeah, you can see the size there. The person they go or somebody got banana bankata. Baliana botia na bota na bankata. Na bawo ne ko if any get there. On the all they know is how to do voodoo. But God passed them. God passed them. So please, like I told you, don't take him serious. And the reason why is no matter what you said, he's defending his source of income. In case you don't know.
Clip me play on now. Play share this small clip. One of the reason why I play because when did it. Oh, you know, you are no near now, okay, check again in here first.
The leader of IPOB left the finance of IPOB for his siblings to be squandering.
Same guy.
Not to the wife, oh no. The siblings and their wife to be squandering our money. That's what the leader of IPOB did to us. Money that people are contributing, the family members are squandering it.
Okay, na ihe nji maka ya bịa with evidence.
Listen.
Onye ahịa a na-akpọ ya Fearless. O so n'onye na-eri ego ndị IPOB. Mana this Fearless onwuru di ahụ ọkpọbe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu n'ụwa.
Which is true.
Onye oshi everything. Ọ kpọchego Maazị Nnamdi Kanu si na o zuru ego ndị IPOB. Kpọọ ya onye ori. But na m ga-eprove na ka unu fụ na this Fearless so n'onye na-eri ego a na-atụta a na-ebunye ndị XDOS. Ndị XDOS zuru nke ha were change nke from where
please do me for like the video.
Ha niile Austin Chika, Patrick Ikensi ha, Awilolomba, Omote Ogechukwu Eze Dracula. Ha niile a na-enye ha na-akwụ ụgwọ. Na ego nke onye akịta agbapụgo na ịntanetị. Nke a ka bụkwa nke kafuru anya. Ka ezi maka nke zoro ezo. Ịmara nwana mgbe m pụtara ebe agwa unu si na disi onye akịta na-ekwueri ya, disi anụ ọhịa dịka onye Gambia. Ka onye gịnị nwana ka mma akpọ ya. Onye adịghọ ka mmadụ kpọrọ nkụ dịka okporoko. Na disi onye ụnụfụ na ndị XDOS nụrụ ya nwaanyị. Ndị XDOS na-akwụrụ ugwu n'ebe obi. Ha nwa na-akwụ ụgwọ school fees nwa ya. Ha nwa gorie earpiece ọ na-eyi n'isi. Gorie laptop, gorie phone na. Ịmana nwere mgbe m bịa gwa ụfọdụ na-akpọrọ m si na asị. Today I approve unu with evidence. Okay? Unu ya fie ọ dị na screen. And yen na ya n'onwe nkwuchi ihe mmekwu. Unu ya ege ntị n'onu ya ebe ọ na-ekele ndị XDOS. Ha mechagorie generator ebe and ogosi picture of the ogosi video of that generator. So mma like nkwuchi okwu unu egere video a n'isi ka unu ebe ọ na-ekele ndị XDOS. Fu ebe ọ na-egosi nyanwu generator. Ha gorie. Now enyere ihe akwụrụ onye akịta under 1 month. Ihe a na-enye ka nna gbo na ihe anụwa every month. Enyere nke a 360,000 naira. Evidence dị na screen unu ya afụ ya. Ihe eji kwụ ụgwọ sleep. Onye na-esend ego ahụ bụ KK Oda, Italian coordinator. Bụ nke a na-eme ọ na-ekwu okwu ọ na-esi Igbo. Ọha wụ ndị XDOS na-eri ego ndị XDO na-eri ego IPOB. Eweta nyanwa na transfer ha. Onye dị in charge of ide send all these media rats na ndị ha gobigasịrị ego. Onye nke akịta enyere ya 360,000 naira. Nyekwu ya 200,000 ya fie ọ dị na screen. Nye 200,000 naira bịakwa nyekwu ya 320,000 naira. 320,000 bụ ego generator. 200,000 bụ nke a adịrị ya na 360,000 enyere for wedding ya. Then total money enyere ya for the 1 month 1,366,015 naira. So ndị anụnwa bụ ndị na-eri ego ndị IPOB. Unu afụ ihe a nna gwunu na ọ dị na screen. Unu afụ etu esi wee kwụ ya ụgwọ 200,000 360 unu fụ nke Austin Chika unu jump ya mmemme video nke iche gosi unu etu esi wee kwụ ya ụgwọ nke unu ya afụ video ya iche different. So ndị a bụ ndị na-ezu eshi ego IPOB. Ọ ya ma o ji eme hapụta na asị unu support ESN, support kwụọ your dues. Kemgbe kwụrụ your dues last. Ego ị na-atụta ka eji azụ these people. XDOS zuru nke ha ezunye ndị a nke ha.
Some of the money will not go to Dead Man Squad. Do you understand? In name of ESN. You will think that you are supporting ESN of Mazaman without knowing that you are sponsoring something else. Now, Madabuchi receiving money to the even earphone. Everything they are buying, they paid for him. And that after eating that, he will now have the audacity. Listen. Everything that PM said about these people, they have proved everything from A to Z. They have proved PM.
What's after the Apare Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? The Aparebazie ụmụnne Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ọkwụna jege video this anụ here no with this uzu anwụrụ anwa dị ka mmadụ. This uzu ana dị ka onye na-achị ya nwụ today no. jee nene video n'okwu na-akparị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu maka gịnị ego ndị XDOS na-enye ha ego ka eji ekopi ha ego they bought them over. So I wụnụ na-atụzi n'ego unu ya suppose na ESN na ha adịghị in charge of ESN. Ndị dị charge of ESN America Avid na Rising Sun na ndị otu ha Chinasa Nwankịta na ndị otu adịghịzi in charge of ESN. Unu akwụzi n'ụgwọ dues na ebe ego unu na-ana nke a ka bụ nke anyị kafuru anya what of ndị zoro ezo ihe aka wee ga-enyere ofu onye goro just ofu ego onye media warrior just 1 month. Agwa m sị na a na-akwụ onye salary a na-akwụ ha niile salary ihe ifuru a na-akwụ ha ụgwọ ndị na-efu media irat si na Sawa Nkịta ha a na-akwụ ha ụgwọ. Don't be deceived, don't pay any dime again. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, 6 years ọ nọ na ndị zoo government ichie kpọchie ya. XDOS have not even sent a dime, 1 naira send the Behoria. All this January 2026 bụzi mgbe XDOS bịa send there somebody nye 2 million naira ka onye Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, and Maazị Nnamdi Kanu rejected ego ahụ for the past 6 years. Ask yourself, if not Avid, if not ụmụnne Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, if not Rising Sun na ambassador of self Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kara ịnọ n'ime nga onwedị onye na-abịa dị court ya fudego ji kwụ ndị legal fees ụgwọ. Mana ndị XDOS ha ama ihe ha mere, ha ama ka ọ dịgodu unu ekwetego kịta na ihe nnekwu n'eziokwu na ndị XDOS onwere ihe eji ego na-eri ya. Okay, aka mbụ nwanne ụnụ nwaanyị Njideka na Canada. Thank you. Biko watch this video ya anụnwa unu ya dị na screen otu a nkwụcha na anụnwa gee ntị ka unu watch ya. Thank you.
Good morning, Umu Chineke. Good morning, IPOB all over the world. Good morning, IPOB leadership. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, our media coordinator, Mazi Keke. Thank you, Mazi Abang. Thank you, everybody. This is Mazi Marapchimach, fearless IPB evangelist. I thank all of you. I received the message and I'm happy because the problem has been solved. Chineke gozuno obi dị m ụtọ. Please hit aga emezikwa m n'ime ebe ahụ mgbachi ụlọ na-eme broadcast because of voice. I don't want voice to be going out. Hit anụ egbu m. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Ka Chukwu abịa ma kwụghachi unu. Mmaji kwuru mmaji. Thank you very, very much. The generator ugbu a all steady ọkụ. No everything mgbe ọbụla because my devices iji na-apụ na-achaji ọ na-adịcha m comfortable but ugbu a everything dị okay ma ha ewetara ọkụ ka o their business. Thank you. Ka Chukwu abịa ma kwụghachi unu n'aha Chukwu ka abịa ma ise. Thank you. So,
and Simon Egba is still a experiment. He would on his camera again and begin to go Simon Egba. Salary. Imagine every month they will catch this camera. It's a guarantee. Do you understand? It's a guarantee. You see it now. Get content he can never get a fetch that kind of thing. He can level again now. 1.something million in a month. Apart from school fees, so children's school fees and house rent. In the you're going to go why first good. Then you want to tell me, then go approach him now and tell him that government have been redeclared. There's no need to agitate and create awareness. Also get again. You understand now? Because you saying that Biafra have been redeclared and you are looking for, Biafrans are looking out for recognition. On if you're not, those are Igbo. Igbo onye sochi egbu ka egbu. A na-ekwu okwu ọwụ ndị na-ekwu okwu ọwụ. A na-ekwu okwu ndị na-ekwu okwu ọwụ. So this is the reason why I told us, if you were expecting them to join you, that they have been redeclared, you don't understand what you are saying. To them, you are a problem. If he knows what he would do to shut you up, he will do it instant. Gaining from other people's sweat. Not as if this one is not random help or like, okay, hey, this our brother is passing through, take this. No, no guarantee every month. School fees and other things. No wonder. Because when you talk about, if you are talking about Biafran issue on Facebook, it's not going to fetch you money. We all know this. If that, we can create it. This our brother, Evangelist Lewis, said that his Instagram paid him money. Then he said that once he started posting, not even recording a video, Biafran issue there, they stop. Do you know that that's something applicable to Facebook? Meaning that these guys that are ranting on Facebook, they're not making money there. They're not making much money on Facebook. They are not even on YouTube. But since they are not making money, why are they insisting on Facebook? Because what motivates them is not from Facebook. Somebody is paying them money, and you cannot see it. And this is not the first time. This has been there for past how many years now? Remember when PM said this in 2021, 2022, and it has been always like that. They have access to people that matter, that somehow open door, pave way for them to do one or two things. Well, I am going to publish it also on X handle. So if you need it, you can go there. But it's not gonna be now, please. It's not gonna be now. I'm gonna end it here. So we will come back later in the day. I just want to end it here. Thank you so much, my people. And please, before you go, make sure you like the video and subscribe if you have not. If you're gonna watch it later, don't forget to like the video as well. Because the video, we have only few people, now, very, very few people. So we managed to have only 36 people that have liked this video from our main platform, which is one of the most poor. Okay, I have not. I think I have not seen anyone like this. This is a record breaking. You have only 36 people that like the video in the space of 1 hour. 1 hour and 19 minutes. Okay, only that. Very, very poor. So if you're gonna watch it later, please make sure you like the video. Some of us that are here watching refuse to like it because maybe US members are the one watching, and because they don't like it when you tell the truth. I understand, but people that are going to watch it are coming, and people that are going to like it are coming. So I'm not saying you should not like it, it's up to you, but I have to let you know. God bless you. Triple M, I greet you, and Amarichi Goze. See you again later in the day. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye for now.